Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Haki Anazir Kolbi, NPM 22411184, kelas manajemen 22B. Saya di sini akan mempresentasikan sebuah materi Research Methodology According to Expert. Nawawi said that research methodology is a science about method, and when assembled, it will become a research methodology. The meaning is a science about method that can be utilized in conducting various kinds of research. Research methodology can also be interpreted as a science that serves to explain and reverse social symptoms and natural symptoms that exist in human life using work procedures that are regular, orderly, systematic, and can be used scientifically. Sugiono. According to Sugiono, research methodology is science method used in an effort to find or obtain data for specific goal or use. Professor M. E. Winarno. According to Winarno, research methodology is a scientific activity carried out with systematic technique. Muhammad Nasir say that research methodology is the most important method used by researchers to conduct research activities. Muhyiddin Sirat. According to Muhyiddin Sirat, research methodology is a way or step to determine and select a problem topic intended to be used a determinant for making a research title. Based on the definition of research methodology from expert, it can be said that methodology is scientific method or step used for a specific purpose. Quote from several sources, research methodology are divided into eight, namely qualitative method, quantitative method, descriptive method, experimental methods, phenomenology, survey grounded method, and ethnography. Yang first, qualitative method. Qualitative method is type of research methodology which is application use data derived from research results, which are then analysis. In this case, research result can come from interview, filling out questionnaires, and a poll. Therefore, qualitative methods are methods that come from the participant point of view. 2. Quantitative method. Quantitative methods are research methods whose data sources are taught mathematical samples. Therefore, quantitative methods are always synonymous with counting or they always relate to number. 3. Descriptive method. Descriptive method is a research method related to writing, especially in making a description. In other words, this method is a method in the form of decreased language and sentence. Even so, in using this method, it is also necessary to do research and collect with data source. For experimental method. The experimental method is a research method that comes from an experiment. Even so, in using the method, it's also necessary to observe the data first. Usually, this method is used to find the cause and effect of a behavior from observed data. 5. Phenomenology. Phenomenology is a research method used to discuss and analyze a particular phenomenon. Therefore, the source of data used in this type of research methodology is analysis that was been carried out in previous studies and subject who have experienced phenomenon. 6. Survey. A survey is a type of research methodology used to determine and analyze behavior in the subject. In general, the data from this method is in the form of interview or questionnaires. So the data produced is more often in the form of number. Therefore, this method is also often said that the data is quantitative. 7. Grounded method. The grounded method is a research methodology that is often used to conduct research of or research in the field of sociology. With this method, result of sociology research can be clear, so the content is very complex but still easy to understand. Ethnography. Ethnography is one of type of research methodology that is more often used in research related to a person's social behavior or action. With this method, researchers will conduct research in detail and without injuring or arguably in accordance with the data that has been obtained. Is that materi today? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.